And this is the ASUS ROG phone, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel, and here you'll see all the available options. If you want to add here another options or remove some of these available ones, or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click here to this edit icon. Here you will see that this down section with invisible options which you could add to your panel. For example, to add the internet one, hold it and drag it here to the subsection. So by the same way you can add all of these available options if you want. Just hold it and drag it. To remove some of them from here, by the same way, hold it and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. To save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.